Okay, now let us look into the next example. Find the range for each of the following random variables. Find the range for each of the following random variables. So I toss a coin 100 times. Let x be the number of heads I observe. So this is one of the conditions which the question is asking you to find out the range for each of the following random variables. So first question is, I toss a coin 100 times. Now x would be the number of heads I observe. So what would be the value of x? That is what we need to find. Sorry. Then again I toss a coin until the first head appears. So you keep on tossing a coin until and unless you get head condition. So let y be the total number of coin tosses. Now the third problem here is, so these are all 3D individual problems where you need to find out the solution. The random variable t is defined as the time in hours from now until the next earthquake occurs in a certain city. I hope the questions are quite different, and you might be thinking how to find out the solution. It's quite simple, so let us go to the solution now. So in the first problem, it says the number of coins it is been tossed is 100 times. So let us go back to the question now. So it says the toss a coin 100 times. So you're tossing a coin for 100 times. Now let x be the number of heads I observe. So it means that the range of x can be between 0 to 100. Now earlier in the first problem when I have explained, we have tossed 3 times, and then we saw a condition where all 3 times getting head. Now here in this problem also we have 100 times we are tossing a coin. It means that all 100 times you might get a condition where you see head condition. So therefore the range can be between 0, 1, 2 till 100. Okay. Now the next question is, what was the question here is, I toss a coin until the first head appears. So let y be the total number of coin tosses. Now again, y can take any positive integer. Now y is what? Y is not the number of head condition. Y is the number of times the coin toss is been happened. So the number of time you toss the coin is what y we need to find out. So what would be the solution? The solution is the range of y can be any positive integer which starts from 1, 2, 3 and so on. 0 cannot be here because there is no condition 0. 0 means that you are not tossing a coin itself. So you are tossing a coin is the value y. Therefore 1, 2, 3 and so on, and that is equal to n, where n says the number of positive integers that you can take. Now coming to third question, the random variable t is defined as the time in hours from now until the next earthquake occurs in a certain city. So what would be the range of the time? It is either 0 because no earthquake, or it can be infinite because you don't know when the earthquake is going to happen. Right? So therefore the solution is 0, infinity. So 0 is there is no earthquake now. Infinity is you don't know when the earthquake takes, but you need to find out what is the time, random variable time t for the earthquake is occurring in that city. So that takes the value infinity. Okay. I hope the problem is clear to you now.